Find the gradient of a straight line joining the points P, 2, 3 and Q, 11, 6. We want to find the gradient. That's form 2 work now. But you know, how do we get the gradient? Gradient equal to change in y divided by change in x. Most students have a problem to know which value is x and which one is x. So let me take x, y. The first coordinate here is called x. The second one is y. So for P, 2 is the x coordinate and then 3 is the y. You should know that. So when we say change in y, we are subtracting the values, the coordinates of y, and we are changing the value in x. So here change in y. Here we have 6 in Q, subtract 3 in P, divide by. We started with this one Q, you must start with that. So x is 11, subtract 2. So 6 subtract 3, the answer is 3, divided by 11 minus 2, the answer is 9. So you don't leave it like this. This one goes here once, it goes here 3. Therefore the gradient here is 1 over 3, and that is the gradient, 1 mark. Hence, find the equation of line PQ. So we want the equation of line PQ, but we already have the gradient. So for us to get the equation of line PQ, we take the general coordinate x, y, and then pick one of the point here, this or this, n of them. Let me pick 2 to 3 because they will give me is working. So but we know gradient equal to change in y over change in x. We know that, and that is a gradient. But now we have the gradient, which is 1 over 3 equal to, the gradient is 1 over 3, this one, which is equal to change in y. But this time round we have y, the coordinate x, y, and this one. So y minus 3 divided by x minus 2. Because this one is a fraction, we can cross multiply. So take this and this. So this times this will give us 3y minus 9 equal to, this times everything there is x minus 2. Take your ruler and divide your working area like that. Now let us like terms together. 3y minus 9 equal to x minus 2. So we can take this value. We want to start with y. So we can take this one this side. Therefore 3y equal to x minus 2 plus 9. 3y equal to x plus 7. So some people also have a problem in subtracting -2 plus 9. Uko na deni ya 2 bob, umepata 9, unalipa deni, unamaliza, unabaki na 7. So it must be positive. The one yenye unabaki nayo ni positive. So that is it. So you can leave the answer there. But if you are told give your answer in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. If you supposed to give the answer in this form, you must ensure you divide by here, divide by 3. If you divide by 3 both sides, you will have y equal to 1 over 3x plus 7 over 3. This is in this form, but at this point you have your marks correct. Maybe the question will be having, suppose I used Q 11, instead of 2 3 I use 11 6. Can I get the same answer? Very yes, a very big yes. If you use 11 6, this equation here, instead of this, you will get the same answer. Don't worry about that.